Can you bring a classic BMW tuning part back to life and make it even better? At Schmiedman, our answer is yes. There once were incredible intake manifolds from Schrick and Alpina, iconic parts that unlocked the potential of the M52 engine. But those legends are long gone and nearly impossible to find. For years, enthusiasts had only one option: modifying an M50 manifold to fit. DIY adapters, leaks, broken parts, frustration. At Schmiedman, we solved the problem once and for all. We designed the S-Tech M52 sports intake manifold, built from the ground up for performance and reliability. Fully cast from high-grade aluminium, CNC machined for maximum flow, every surface is precision milled, every groove perfectly cut. Even the small details were re-engineered. No more paper gaskets, only long-lasting OEM-style rubber seals. A solid CNC milled aluminium plenum cover completes the design. Our test car, the BMW E36 328i with the M52 engine, delivered 231.6 horsepower on the dyno. You can expect a power gain from up to 8 to 20 horsepower. We recommend combining this sports intake with a couple of other tuning parts besides the ECU tuning. Our own Schmiedman exhaust manifolds, free flow or Schmiedman cats, a sports camshaft, maybe even our Schmiedman lightweight flywheel. That would be pretty cool. And don't forget the sports air filter. The S-Tech M52 Sport Intake Manifold. Engineered to perform, designed to last, and born from pure BMW passion. The Schmiedman S-Tech M52 Sports Intake Manifold. Built by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. Find it now on schmiedman.com, as everything else for your BMW and Mini at the world's lowest prices, and of course with worldwide delivery.